Hello everyone, we're currently building the prototype for Theropods, beginning with the second playable character, the Spaceman. We thought this would be a great opportunity to show you how we created him and brought him to life.
Costas begins by finding reference images that he feels the Spaceman would look like. He then starts sketching different designs. Once we've picked the design that we like, he'll play around with different colours. Then we pick the colours that we like best, bearing in mind the colour of the Amazon and the main colours of the game. The next step is to work out the main animations the Spaceman will use over and over throughout the game. These will be his walk cycle, no animation, and picking up items at 2 different heights. Costas animates these in Flash as this is what he is most comfortable using. He tries to keep the animations to the minimum number of frames possible for efficiency. The numbers that he puts in the bottom of each frame refers to how many frames they are held for, and which number the frame is. This makes it clear to me when frames are reused, as there is no need for either of us to totally redraw them. He then exports them for me in both high resolution and low resolution. Now it's my turn to pixelate him. I use Sprite for pixel art. It costs £11 or $15 and I think it's definitely worth it. I usually begin by tracing over the low-res GIF that Costas exported for the basic shapes of the Spaceman. I use the high-res GIF and the pixel Spaceman in his idle frame as reference for details, and for the animation itself, as you can't really tell what's going on in the low-res version. Sometimes I adjust the animation entirely when I feel it doesn't work, as with the sidewalk cycle. I felt that 7 frames wasn't enough for a smooth animation, which is necessary when it's such an important animation. I add all of the timings that Costas added to the bottom of the rough animations to our timings document, so that it's easily accessible when it comes to programming. Once I am happy with them, I export them as an image sequence. I then import the image sequences into Adventure Game Studio, the engine which we use to program Theropods. I then need to create a view for each animation. The walk cycle view contains the down, left, right, and up walk cycles. For the left walk cycle, I simply flip the right one. In AGS, the timings for each frame are called the delay, which is how many extra frames it is held for, at a frame rate of 24 frames per second. Using the animation timings document for reference, I input the delay for each frame. To check that they work fine, I enter in a bunch of code to make him move and pick up some tasty fruit.
Thanks for watching this video. Let us know if there's anything else you'd like to see in future updates. Bye!